See?
Oh yeah. You didn't. You're going to the garbage can. You didn't. You're going to the garbage can. You're gonna be right above the garbage can. I won't forget that. Oh wait, you're on the wrong side. You're on the wrong side. I always like being over there.
Hey, we're going breast cancer awareness. Timer cleared.
So, Skyzone!
Everyone gets a sketch. Take it off.
Come on, sister, show me. Gear up, flaps up.
It's pretty damn close, Frank.
Yeah, that was good though. No one flinched.
Nope. Yep.
I go taxi on the right over and should I wait for you guys?
Not a trim.
No, I think it's just the wind.
It is, but I got a trim for it.
It's weird.
It's blowing to the left. I mean, pushing me to the right. Go. I gotta cut ahead.
Low pop.
Okay, I'm cutting ahead.
Time remaining 2:50.
Let's do some fast shit.
There we go.
It's so behind you.
Go, I'll follow you.
Alright.
Whoa! Something flew off.
What?
Was it something flying off of me?
Should we land in?
No, it was a bird.
No
I think. Let me look at my plane. Something flew off.
Is it?
No, it was something there. Or maybe it was my plastic part of my canopy. Something flew off.
Okay, do you want to land?
No, I'm good. I don't. No, maybe it was just a bird I got close to.
Slow and slow.
Okay.
But I want to be close. We get that nice.
Okay.
Yeah, that was good.
No, nothing flew off. I guess it was a bird.
Nothing flew.
No, because I saw something falling off, or so I thought, but I guess not.
There you go, Bob. Alright.
What are you doing? Wait for Bob.
30
It's
seconds.
okay. I'll catch up.
Go up and up and up and up. Oh shit.
Down for Bob.
It's right there.
Yeah, we're all over the place.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
I'm good on time.
1. Time
So we should do we're gonna do a pass. We should do it now. I'll be behind you though.
Alright, who was that?
Huh?
Who's that masked man?
Huh?
Yeah, you was
I don't know. I don't know who that was.
Bob. A little bit of a crossman, right?
I don't know what that was.
No pass. Low and fast. Low and straight for over there. And flipping it. And you had to bring that up. Nice.
Landed.
You got a 4,000?
Landing.
1 minute over.
There you go.
My battery's out. See? Oh shit.
You okay?
Gear collapsed. Yeah. All the way down the end. He's all the way at the end, you guys.
Oh, well, your gear's gone.
My battery ran out.
Oh.
No landing, Frank.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Okay, I'm coming in.
You gotta get the beginning of the runway.
Frankie, I see you.
Flaps up.
Watch out, Frankie!
Go off to the side.
One more coming, Frank.
You'll be clear, Bob. There you go. That's better. Oh, you hit fail safe, did you, Frank?